I'm going to tell you about the truth about hidden maintenance issues in popular Angeles City expat hotels. First and foremost, Angeles City is the best value for your money here in the Philippines. The hotels are a big part of the value here in Angeles City. My name is Melanie, and I moved to Angeles City, Philippines 10 years ago. I stayed in hotels in Angeles City before I moved to Angeles City. We stayed in many hotels. Me and my husband have made videos of all the hotels we think are noteworthy. I will leave the direct link for the playlist we have prepared with the best hotels in Angeles City. All our hotel videos are presented to you based on your budget. If you see a hotel in your price range, then click the video on and watch a great hotel in Angeles City, Philippines. You want to watch our $20 per night hotel videos. These $20 per night hotel rooms can compete and compare to any $50 per night room. You are probably saying to yourself, come on, $20 per night? Angeles City, Philippines is the best value for your money here in the Philippines. Back to the truth about hidden maintenance issues in popular Angeles City expat hotels. All hotels in the Philippines have maintenance issues. This is how to avoid maintenance issues when you arrive at your hotel for check-in. Ask the front desk if your room is available for check-in. Ask if you can see the room before you check in. Leave your bags at the front desk. Get the names of the employees at the front desk. Then start on your way to your hotel room. Have a qualified hotel employee show you to your hotel room. This is when you will do a quick and simple room inspection. Why? Because you might be back to the front desk for minor hotel maintenance issues. You might as well get everything sorted out on the room inspection before you check in. Have the hotel employee, have him or her do the inspection work while you watch. Here is a checklist, and you should not overlook anything on this list. Check to see if toilet flushes properly. Check to see if shower water gets hot. Check to see the air conditioner works and gets cold. Check for stains on bedspread. Check for toilet tissue, toilet paper. Check for clothes hangers. Check that light bulbs are working in all lights. Check to see if there are leaks in the bathroom. Check to see that bathroom sink works properly, the spigot. Check to see if television and refrigerator are working. Check to see if Wi-Fi is working. Check for unusual odor. If you smell septic tank, then you could be in part of the hotel that has a clogged pipe. You may think this is unusual that you would have to check these types of things. However, Angeles City Vlogger has found one or more of these items to be a problem at room check-in. It does get resolved at check-in, even if the hotel has to upgrade to another hotel room. There's nothing like the feeling of getting back to your room for rest and relaxation, and the Wi-Fi and toilet do not work. Take a few minutes at check-in and do the room inspection before you unpack your bags. Angeles City Vlogger has found that most hotels in the Philippines have done zero hotel room inspection before you check in. This is lack of hotel maintenance, and you can even find lack of maintenance in new luxury properties. Here is an example. One time, I checked into a hotel and did some light unpacking. I started hanging a couple shirts. I noticed the lighting was not so good in the room. I tried all the light switches, and sure enough, 2 light bulbs were burnt out. I had to complain to the front desk because I could not see. This is poor management and poor maintenance on behalf of the hotel. A poor system of room inspections after the room has been cleaned. Some guests never complain about problems in a hotel room and check out without ever reporting a problem. Some house cleaners may not have the inventory to bring a new light bulb to your room because the hotel has not purchased any light bulbs. The lack of a punch list causes a lack of quality. There are 583 hotels in Angeles City, Philippines. This number includes a wide range of accommodations from budget-friendly options to luxury properties. The hotels do a great job of keeping the staff in the hotels. However, the staff turnover can be a rapid turnover. You do the math. 583 hotels multiplied by only the amount of house cleaning employees. If you are in a hurry to get a beer in Angeles City, then just leave your bags in your room and go. Deal with the maintenance issues later. I can tell you the more common maintenance issues are toilets, sinks, air conditioner, and stains on the bedspread. Most Philippines businesses have enough employees to have a double staff in case employees do not show up for work. Today's video is about hidden maintenance issues and the first thing you should do when you get to the hotel front desk. How to avoid maintenance issues in popular Angeles City expat hotels. Watch our hotel videos for the best hotels in Angeles City, Philippines. Thanks for watching our videos. Please give us a big subscribe. Please enjoy the drone video at the end of this video. Flying over Fields Avenue to Walking Street. I want to give full credit to my associate, Stephen Burnett. He was kind enough to let me use his drone video for an outro. Stephen is the pioneer of drone video in Angeles City. He was the first to get video like this. Please see the direct link at the end of this video for Stephen's YouTube channel. His channel is known as Homer. He has an incredible collection of drone video, including Boracay Island and Pattaya, Thailand. The list goes on and on. However, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, Angeles City Vlogger. Let the Angeles City Vlogger be your travel guide. If you liked today's video, then smash the thumbs up and like this video. Please share our videos with your associates. Leave a comment. Thanks for watching the Angeles City Vlogger. Please enjoy the drone video at the end of this video. Flying from Walking Street to Fields Avenue to Don Waco. I want to give full credit to my associate, Stephen Burnett. He was kind enough to let me use his drone video for an outro. Stephen is the pioneer of drone video in Angeles City. He was the first to get video like this. Please see the direct link at the end of this video for Stephen's YouTube channel. His channel is known as Homer. He has an incredible collection of drone video, including Boracay Island and Pattaya, Thailand. The list goes on and on. However, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, Angeles City Vlogger. Let the Angeles City Vlogger be your travel guide. If you like today's video, then smash the thumbs up and like this video. Please share our videos with your associates. Leave a comment. Thanks for watching the Angeles City Vlogger.